Check your body.
Hello Delta 4x4 friends or fans or whatever you call it. This time we drove again into a forest here in Bavaria where we are located, and this time we drove with our Ford Ranger. It's the Wild Track edition with the biggest engine. It's the vehicle of Marcus. He is a big fan of Delta 4x4. Even his father drove a Delta 4x4, I think it was a Suzuki or something like that. And yeah, this time we also lifted it 150 millimeters with the big tires, 2 or 3 centimeters more I think, and front bar, PIA headlights, a snorkel, sidebars, and the Sins wheels. And I think it looks very nice. It's a part of the Beast army. Here in Germany everybody knows the Delta Beasts. A Delta Beast is a pickup or another vehicle tuned by Delta 4x4, and it's very big and very wide with the big fender flares, and everybody who is part of the tuning scene or the off-road scene knows what's a Delta Beast. And maybe you also want to be a part of the Delta 4x4 Beast army, then just write a mail with your vehicle, and then maybe we can make you an offer, and then you are the next Delta 4x4 Beast part member. Bye.